Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to trigger the flower crossbreeding tags in Heartopia. So this is especially helpful for new players, and maybe it's also useful for completing the current Call of Wheels event quest, where in some quests require you to crossbreeding the limited daffodils flowers like this. You can see it. So normally in the gardening hobby, you will start with basic flower colors like in here in my daffodils flower. It starts with red and white and yellow like this. The basic colors. This one, yellow daffodils, white, red, and from the basic flower colors, you can just unlock many new flower colors by do the crossbreeding method. And the process is super easy. In here I will use the limited daffodil flowers as an example like this, but you can just use the same method with any flower that you have. So the process is first just plant the different flower colors in alternating rows like this, like one row of red and then one row of white, and then you can also add another colors again like yellow like this, one row yellow like this. You can just use many combinations color on here, and then after that just water them until they bloom. Just water them like this, and then once the flower bloom, don't harvest them yet. Just keep watering them every day until you see the floating seeds appear above the flowers like this. You can see it. You can see the floating seeds like this. It's the crossbreeding seeds, and this seed can appear after 6 a.m. server reset. And the new seed will usually be mix of the parent colors. For example, in here from my red and yellow flower, I got the orange flower like this. And then like maybe red and white can produce pink, and then after that you can also crossbreed those new colors again, like such as pink and orange. You can get the unique colors like peach, and you can easily find full color combinations, other color combinations chart in online. And then one extra tip, if you want to speed up the process of this crossbreeding, just ask your friends to help water your flowers. And then, because my experience, that really seemed to increase the chances of getting crossbreed seeds faster. And okay, that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.